Good morning! Today is Vlogmas Day 17 and I'm with Brett. First day of his holiday vacation.
Yes!
Actually, may pasok pa sila pero hindi na namin pinapasok dahil for sure, most of his classmates hindi na pumasok sa school. Yesterday lang naman yung exam nila, last exam nila, comprehension and spelling.
Yeah.
And then, ngayon wala na. Hanggang 12 o'clock lang nga din sila.
So the absent doesn't count, right?
Maybe, I'm not sure. And alam nyo ba, siya yung nag-tidy up ng kanyang bed. He did that. Current time is, itama ko yung pagbasa ng time. It's 5 minutes before 9 o'clock. Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. Kakagising lang namin. Niyaya kami ni Ala na matulog ng mahaba. Dahil yun nga, bakasyon. I'm with Brent and the 3 cats. So, good luck sa akin. Medyo stressful. Charot. Dahil marami makukulit. Dagdag pa to. Makulit, pero nasasabihan naman, nakikinig.
And you also have a lot of editing to do, right?
Hindi naman. Vlogmas Day 16 lang yung gagawin ko. Yeah, yun lang i-edit ko. Kasi Vlogmas Day 15, na-upload ko na. Was it yesterday? Yes. I uploaded it yesterday.
I think it's by the time you, ouch. I think it's by the time you, were like polishing your nails, I think.
No. I was talking to Tita Angie.
Oh, okay.
Kagabi kasi kausap ko yung sister ko, yung mas bata sa akin, yung sumunod sa akin. Si Angie, kausap ko siya kagabi. We were talking like for 2 hours. Wala lang, kung ano-ano na pinag-uusapan namin about life. Minsan pa ulit-ulit lang. Pero ayun, nag-uusap kami nun like every other night. Yung nights na hindi kami nag-uusap, yun yung para makatulog daw ako ng mahaba at hindi ko siya sinasabayan sa duty niya. May ano kasi siya hindi ko alam kung insomnia ba. Gising siya sa gabi and then tulog siya sa umaga. Hindi naman talaga as in tuloy yung tulog niya sa umaga kasi dalawa yung anak niya, of course, kailangan rin niyang asikasuhin. Ganun siya, ganun yung schedule niya. Yung sleeping schedule niya. Gising siya sa gabi, then sa umaga, I mean sa araw, paputol-putol daw yung tulog niya. Bakasyon na rin ng anak niya, ng mga anak niya sa school. So, medyo magiging busy na rin yung schedule niya. Diba, no?
Yes. And right now, we're having like a busy day. Because yesterday, I feel like we're very busy.
Yesterday? Not so much.
Yeah, but I feel like we're very busy.
No, you're busy playing with your video games. Yun.
So is Daddy.
Oo, dalawa sila. So, hinayaan ko lang. Pero, I don't know, tomorrow, ayain ko si Brent na mag-brunch kami sa labas. Bahala na kung maaga akong magigising and kung sipagin akong lumabas. Hindi naman kasi talaga ako palalabas kung hindi lang ako inaaya ng friend ko, ni Jamie, na mag-brunch. I'd rather stay home. Magluluto pa ako ng breakfast namin. Later, I'll get back to you. Mind telling them your breakfast, friend?
Mine is bacon, rice, Milo, and water.
And mine is 2 eggs, toast, bacon, potato waffle, and baked beans. Oh, here's my coffee. Grabe yung froth niya. Ginamit ko kasi is soy milk. I ran out of almond milk. Kain! Ang plano kong gawin is clear out yung mga bags na ginagamit ko recently. 4 lang naman yung bags na ginagamit ko. This one, which is the Chanel Classic Mini Flap Rectangular, Chanel Boy, Lady Dior Mini, tsaka nag-iisang backpack na madalas kong gamitin. Itong Palm Springs mini backpack. Kasi may laman. May straw. Bioderma. Sunscreen to na face mist. Wet wipe. Chewing gum. And tissue. Minsan kasi, dito sa pocket, naglalagay ako ng caramel candy. Yung Werther's. Pero I guess wala na ata na ubos. Oo, wala na. Pagkatapos ko silang gamitin, tinatanggal ko yung strap nitong backpack ko. And then, niro-roll ko. Bago ko sila bilhin or bago sila madagdag sa collection ko, sinisiguro ko na magagamit ko sila. Kasi there's no point of buying bags kung hindi mo naman gagamitin. Kung basta i-display mo lang. Yeah, one down. Babalik ko na. For my Lady Dior Mini. Ito maraming laman. Ito yung last na bag na ginamit ko. May clay, alcohol, Dior Skin Forever Cushion, Inglot Lip Pencil, pen, lip glow, hand cream from the Body Shop. I love the scent. This is the British Rose. My keys. My card case. So, check natin dun sa loob. Wala na. Tapos, baka may mga crumbs or something. Ginamit ko ata to nung nag-brunch kami ni Alan. So, ayan. Tatanggalin ko yung strap. And since this is lambskin, syempre, inspection, kung may dadagdag na scratches. Hindi ko naman binibaby yung bags ko. Pero hindi rin naman ako burara. Iniingatan ko pa rin naman sila. This bag. Nilalagay ko sa loob as stuffing para ma-maintain yung shape. Okay. Bag number 2. This one, check natin kung may laman pa kasi minsan may natitira akong laman. So, wala. So, where's the dust bag? Where did I put it? Magaling ako. Naitanggal ko na siya agad. Oh, there's the dust bag. So, ito yung dust bag. Ilalagay ko ulit siya sa loob. And then the last one is this Chanel Classic Mini Flap. Nalinis ko na pala. Tapos, may tissue lang na natira. Wala na bang candy or chewing gum? Yeah, wala na. So, balik na siya ulit. Yan, nandito lang sila sa glass cabinet. Ito yung mga most used bags ko. Yung hindi masyadong nagagamit or yung parang nagagamit naman pero bibihira. Nasa loob ng this one. Okay. And then, yung mga tinanggal ko na content sa aking bag, I have the toiletry pouch 15. Dito ko nilalagay muna yung aking card case, tsaka clay, tsaka itong keys. Then, the rest, ibabalik ko sa kung saan sila nararapat. Inside my makeup drawer. For the lip glow. Oh, for the pen. Dito nga pala yan. Lip pencil. Balik ulit. Eyebrow pencil. So, babalik ulit sa drawer. And then, for the tissue, of course, balik ko naman sila sa bathroom. Ito, hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. Sinasanay ko yung sarili ko na magdala ng handkerchief. Tissue. Balik ko rin yan sa hand cream sa drawer ko. This one, sa aking catch-all basket. This one, para siyang Travelo. Dito may lagayan kasi ako ng mga sample perfume. Then, ito. Lagay natin ulit dito. toiletry pouch kasi nagdadala ako ng intimate liner, dental floss, and bandages. Then face spray. Of course, a catch-all. Essential oil. Parang nakatilt yung camera ko. Sorry nasira na yung Gorilla Pad ko. Ayan, I guess okay na. Ayan. No. Okay. Steady, steady. Yeah. Hindi na ako masyadong bumibili ng makeup. Pansin ko. Tagal na. Sa catch-all. Then this one, lagay ko muna dito. The handkerchief. Siguro, pato ko na lang dito. Lagay ko muna ito sa bathroom. Ayan, malinis na. Then, my makeup drawer. I'm so proud of myself. Hindi na ako bumibili ng makeup. Then, ayan, all tidy up. Dumating na si Alan. Later. In-upload ko na dito sa desktop ko yung bang mga footages kanina umaga para hindi na iipon dito sa camera ko. Yes, that's today, 8:56 AM, December 17, 2018. And medyo nag-rough edit na rin ako. An hour lang. From 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Ayan. Current time is 5:12 PM. Medyo nag-edit na ako para hindi ako ma-left behind sa schedule ng pag-upload na schedule daw. Actually, wala naman ako sinusunod na schedule. Ayoko lang naiipon yung mga vlog. Kasi, kapag nangyari yun, ang tagal ko dito sa harap ng desktop and then sasakit yung likod ko. Anyways, yeah. I think it's time to take a bath or take a shower. Ano ba? Hindi pa ako nagluluto rin ng dinner namin. Which is which? Ano bang gagawin ko muna? Maliligo? Or magluluto? Magluluto? Or maliligo? Buti pa si Brent naligo na. Fresh na fresh na. Ako hindi pa. Expired na. Diba no?
No. Who say that? I think you should start dinner, I think.
Dinner muna?
Yeah.
Dinner first?
Yes.
Food is life? Or medyo hungry ka na, no?
No, gusto ko lang, parang, para dito ka longer.
Kasi pag nasa bathroom ako, ang tagal ko doon.
Opo.
Ang tagal mo ako hindi makikita.
Opo.
So, okay lang si Mami being stinky as long as nakikita mo siya. Kasi nga naman mabango ako kasi ang tagal ko naman sa banyo.
Actually, no. Just take a bath. I don't. Just take a bath.
Whatever. This is our dinner. Shabu-shabu at home. We have shrimp and squid cake, tofu, imitation crab, squid ball, kikiam balls, fish ball, bok choy, Chinese cabbage, shiitake mushroom, green onion, gourmet bagoong, soy sauce, an egg for the sauce. We have kimchi, and then the beef. Here's the broth. Ooh. Yan. Nga pala, syempre, hindi mawawala ang rice. We have also udon. Siguro kami di magla-rice. Then minced garlic we have here. Syempre, salt and pepper. Let's eat!
That's marshmallow. Really?
Now the AHS will have to try to find a new home for her as well as her puppy.
Let it boil, let it boil, let it boil.
You
Ganda ng gray na pitbull, ano?
Ano yung nilagay mo? Pwede na natin lagay ito doon. Dahil si Brandon ko yan. Tsaka, ano nilagay mo ba? Depende ito masyado. Sarap? Yeah. Kumain ko? Wala. Konti na lang. Up.
Now Sophie has a new home. With Carmen and Corey Hobbs. They've renamed her room.
When we went to the Humane Society looking for a couch potato dog, we walked in with all those two dogs. And I said, oh, take it on. Took a look at her right away.
How the parabolic?
Sarap? Yung noodles?
Okay. Okay.
Friend, how's the noodles? Good. You like it?
Knowing about brain size, kind of unsettling, but it's nice to know that people have
I just want Uber.
Done?
I just want Uber. That's it.
No, you have to eat the meat. Huh?
You like more? Yan yung job niya. To take out the trash. Sige, abulin mo. Si Luna lumabas. Come on.
Luna, come.
You're crazy.
Thank you. O, lock mo na. Yung chain.
Ikaw, kunwari, mabilis ka lang. Hindi ka naman nag-iisip eh.